What if a simple serum promised Botox-like results without needles? Would you believe it? Or would you want to look a little deeper first? VitaliQ Korean Silk Peptide Botox Serum is currently being promoted online as a breakthrough anti-aging formula that claims to tighten skin, smooth wrinkles, and deliver a lifted appearance using advanced peptide technology inspired by Korean skincare trends. At first glance, the product sounds impressive, especially with phrases like silk peptides, Botox effect, and clinically tested formula used throughout its marketing. However, when you start examining these claims more carefully, a few questions begin to surface. For example, the idea that a topical serum could replicate the effects of Botox injections is a bold statement, and dermatology experts generally agree that over-the-counter skincare products cannot truly replace medical procedures like Botox. Another point that raises curiosity is the use of a scientific-sounding terminology that appears persuasive, but lacks easily verifiable research or publicly available clinical studies connected specifically to this product. Some promotional materials also reference statistics and results that are difficult to trace back to credible medical publications, which makes it important for buyers to approach such claims with a critical mindset. In addition, many online advertisements feature glowing reviews and dramatic before and after photos. Yet some of these images appear overly polished or possibly AI-generated, which can sometimes happen in aggressive online marketing campaigns. There are also reports from shoppers mentioning confusing checkout pages, automatic subscription offers, and pricing that seems quite high compared with similar peptide serums available from established skincare brands. Another interesting detail is the heavy emphasis on Korean technology, a phrase that sounds appealing because Korean skincare is globally respected. But in many cases, it simply functions as a marketing label rather than proof of a product's origin or innovation. Overall, VitaliQ Korean Silk Peptide Botox Serum sits in that gray area where the concept sounds exciting, but the available evidence doesn't clearly confirm all the dramatic promises being advertised, which is why anyone considering it should carefully research the product, read independent customer experiences, and think twice before making a purchase.